I'm going to show you a tour of my slime room. Is that the video? Let's get on with the video. This is just my temporary one. I'm going to move to a new house. I'm getting a slime soon. So, today it says slime room. So, open the door. We turn the lights on. Best thing to do. And you see it's middle in me. Film off phone today because I felt like it. It's easier. Just these drawers are nothing. These are just party scrolling up. Right. We'll go here. Ignore that. That's my bar clothes. That's the bed. That's that. That's that. That's that. Ignore all that. So as you come down here, it's my slime room. So today I've just ordered slime. Today I've just made a new sheet of slime orders. Yes, but yes, I didn't put them off yet. So my slime orders. And then if you can see, these are not. This is one of my containers, but this is my mixing bowl container. But if you can see, I would only get this, and stick it, and then put it down. But I would bend it like that if I had two ends, so it would be easier. I made loads of them just before I did this video. Got my pen there to write in. Got some sellotape because I need it. Some scissors. Now this one got a bit more slimy, okay? I got my Elmer's clear washable glue. See that? And then I got my big all glue. Elmer's too. See the Elmer's? It's Elmer's glue. I think Elmer's glue works the best. That's all that. And then I just got a bit of magic clay that I like to play with. Look at this hair in it. Yeah. So now we look over to here. We've got my foam beads. So I've got all these down. So I've got white foam beads. I've got pink foam beads. I've got yellow foam beads. I have got rainbow foam beads. We have got blue foam beads. And I have got purple foam beads. So yes, there are my foam beads. And then over here, we see these are some slimes. All down there. You see? Yeah, and then packaging down there. And that's actually basically it all. So, I'll see you next time. I'm super really excited. Actually, wait. Should I show you how I package my slime? I think I should do that. How about you? Let's do this. So, I'm going to pretend this slime's going to be my demonstration. Let's move these. So, these containers, I broke one in my last video, if you check that out. I'll put a link in the description, maybe, I don't know. And that's broke a container. It's awesome, good. So, I just made slime, pretty good slime. All this slime's homemade, so if you want to buy, it's homemade. So, I haven't got any more containers at the moment, so I need to go and get some. I normally have a pair of my lids here and then put my containers for now. So, I will just do a couple of tests on the slime. I've got a tray here, so I don't got that. A couple of tests, so the good poke, it's really stretchy. Yeah, I do a couple of tests because I don't want to sell my customers bad slime. This can actually make bubbles. It's really good. It's not sticky at all. Glitter in it. I always test and maybe put lotion if I want it softer, but this one's really soft, so I need lotion for this one. Super stretchy. So I'll get my container. I would put it in, but first I would flatten it out first, and then make it flat like this. Then I would put it in. I think that looks a bit more better. And I will put my lid on. Get one of these. Put it a bit higher now. So use the slime. Get a bit of tape. I'll get it and I'll put it here and I'll bend this. I'll get the side. That's all. Oopsie doopsie. Anyways, guys, I got a lot of tape so it will stick. And you'll look on your package and you'll see, is this slime? It'll look way better than this. This is just a little scrap. I have actually ruined this one now. But who cares? So yeah. So basically, when you order from a slime, you just need to say your name. And what do you know? I'm going to sell this slime at school first. And yes, I'm going to sell this slime. So I've got this, I've got it. And so, move here. So I'll name how much each slime is and I'll show you. So we've got my black glitter slime, 25p. This is it. We've got my clear slime, 10p. It's right down here. Pretty clear, you can't see it inside there. I can't see it. A few bubbles in there, but that'll go. My white slime. Here. That is 5p. Quite cheap, that one. My glitter, my clear glitter slime. I only have one of them at the moment. And I've run out of glitter. So I'll do that for now, but that is this. And that is